This mini heater is a desktop-sized 400-watt infrared heater that plugs into any standard 220-volt outlet. It quickly warms up a small area, making it perfect for use in the home or office. The heater also has a built-in fan to circulate the warm air, making it perfect for use in the winter months. Additionally, the heater has a slim, compact design that makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. Electric heaters are an important part of the winter season. They help keep us warm and comfortable when the temperatures outside are low. There are many different types of electric heaters on the market, but one of the most popular is the portable electric heater. A portable electric heater is a small, lightweight device that can be easily transported from room to room. It plugs into an electrical outlet and provides warmth through radiation. This type of heater is ideal for use in a small area, such as a bedroom or bathroom. There are several different sizes of portable electric heaters available. The most common size is 4 inches by 6 inches. However, there are also 8-inch models available for larger spaces. Another great thing about electric air heaters is that they come in a variety of sizes. There are small electric air heaters that can be used for personal use, and there are also large electric air heaters that can be used for commercial purposes. The size of the electric air heater will depend on the needs of the user. This electric air heater is perfect for keeping you warm in the winter. It plugs into a standard US outlet and has a cable that is 1.2 m long, so it can be used almost anywhere in your home. The heater has 2 heat settings, so you can choose the amount of warmth that you need. It also has a fan setting, which can help to circulate the warm air around the room. The heater is available in black, blue, or pink and has a stylish design that will look great in any room. This mini office heater electric is a great choice for small spaces. It has a built-in fan to circulate the heat, and you can control the direction of the heat with the adjustable louvers. This heater is also portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. It's perfect for use in the home, office, or even on camping trips.
And finally, we have a gift for you that is tricks to reduce your electricity bill by at least 75%. And the way to complete energy independence, get rid of the monopoly of big energy. You will never have to pay for electricity. Method, amplify electricity to make output power greater than input power. See link in description. Thanks for watching.